Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2012 Porsche Panamera. So if we go over to, you've got phone there. If you click on phone, you'll see there you've got dial number, phone, previous calls, nothing obvious, and you've got option over there which is grayed out. If you click on option, you've got telephone settings and Bluetooth settings, phone book settings, transfer phone book, delete phone book. We want Bluetooth settings. New device list, we want device list, and you'll see there Barry's iPhone 12 Pro is highlighted. I need to now click on that to select it, and then you've got rename, delete, device details or disconnect, delete Barry's iPhone, device will be deleted from all lists. Well, yeah, so we click yes. That's it gone.